Today's video is going to be something we've done already. It's going to be a Minecraft cookie. It's inspired by Steve, the main character. We have done the creeper head before, so I thought, why not keep doing this 8-bit style? I really like it. The next one is going to be the animal inspired one, so if you want to see that, I will be posting that later on. And as always, all the recipe and everything you're going to need will be in the description box down below. Now let's get started. Alright, we're going to start by making our sugar cookie dough. Get your 2 sticks of butter, which is 8 ounces. Mix that well. Add your sugar and a pinch of salt and then mix that well. Once combined, I like to use a spatula and clean the edges and the bottom. And then add an egg to this and combine well. Scrape your edges again with that spatula. Always incorporate everything well. Add your vanilla and then mix that well once again. And then add your flour and mix that well. I like to do about half a cup at a time just to incorporate that well. I like to use my hand to combine the rest of the dough together just until it forms a ball and it holds itself well. Cut the batter in half, form a disc, and wrap it in some plastic wrap. And then we're going to stick these in the fridge for about half an hour or overnight. You just want to chill it for a bit. Once it's chilled for a bit, take it out of the fridge and take one of the discs and cut it in 4. You can do this with both discs. The colors I'm going to use is a light brown, a darker brown, a medium brown, some blue, and some white. I didn't really need the black, but I made some just in case I wanted to add anything. And then you're going to need a image reference of him. And then I'm using this Play-Doh extracting thing with the square tool that when you squeeze the cookie dough through, it comes out in squares. And then roll your dough out so that you can fit this in the toy to squeeze it out. And once the strips come out, you can just let them sit for a bit. And just keep doing this with all your dough. So the way I stacked the cookie, I started from his hair. As you can see here, you just want to count out how many strips you're going to need. In total, this cookie is 8 by 8, so you're going to need 8 horizontal and 8 vertical lines. The hair is about 18 strips, and you're going to need 34 of the skin tone, 2 of the blue, 2 of the white, 2 of a darker brown, and then for the mouth, it's going to be 6 more of the same tones that you use for the hair. And then once you get all those out, you can shove them in the freezer for about 10 minutes just to chill them so they're easier to work with. And then you're just going to start stacking as I've been doing here, as you can see. You just want to stack one on top of the other in that same row. I also used a ruler to help me keep this even and straight. Once you're done stacking all your colors, just stick it in the freezer to chill for about 10 minutes. And then with a knife, you're going to cut off each slice and then bake this in an oven at 350 degrees for about 8 to 12 minutes depending on your oven. And that's how you make those Minecraft cookies. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos, more Minecraft cookies or anything like that, subscribe to the channel so you can keep up to date with everything I post. If you want to see any pictures of this or anything I make, I do post on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, and all of those links are down below as well. If you make any of my recipes, tag me in the pictures. I love seeing when you guys recreate what I make. And if you want to suggest something else, leave it in the comments down below. Until next time, stay sweet.